Game bread, nigga. This book. Stop playing shit. All black Nina, cool condomina. If I catch a nigga slipping, letting 30 out this Nina. I got a bad bitch, but you ain't never seen her, and I never had shit, so I fucked it off at Neiman. Made it back stinking, anything for the paper. I got this bitch hot, so my nigga, I see you later. I'll be back out tomorrow, I'm a smooth operator. Get kicked out the mob if you ain't about your paper. Roll up, swole up, it's something about them Vegas. You can't sit at my table, nigga, you more like a waiter. Never leave without your shit, cause you niggas is haters. It's game bread in my blood, but I'm more like a player. 223s ripping through trees, fuck Christmas trees. I'ma let this bitch sneeze if you play with my cheese, or I'ma let this bitch quake if you play with my cake. Don't put your trust in these hoes, cause these bitches is users. I need a game bread bitch, the one that bring it back. You know a real thoroughbred mouthpiece like a Ruger. She leave a trick sick where she spit right through you, and I still think it's a joke how these niggas be missing. R.P. Lil Surdy, that's a player's edition. But don't get it twisted, you know every day I be tripping. And my bitch making moves cause she play a position. But before I sent that bitch, I couldn't open the kitchen. They only make them like this nigga in Uptown Richmond. Nigga, yeah, nigga.